Alright guys, you're once again welcome to this channel. This is Alfredo Keys, and please do well to subscribe if this is your first time here, so that you'll be part of the family. Today we are going to look at how to use the electronic transpose button. I've already taught, or I've done a video on how to get the key of a song within seconds. I have that video on this channel, so the link to that video is in the description of this video, so you can get that video under this video description. So hitting to today's topic, we are going to look at how to transpose using the transpose button. Okay, so transposing means if the singer is singing in a different key aside the key you already know how to play in, it means you have to transpose. For instance, if your singer is singing in C and you can't play in key C, and then you have to transpose from key F to C. It means you are going to make F, even though you'll be playing in F, but it will give you the C sound. This is the C sound, and this is the F sound. And your singer is singing here. So what do? You are going to transpose. So this will come here. Now, in transposing, you are going to count. And any count that is from the key you are playing to the left side is a negative count. So simply when you are counting to the left, there's a negative count, and when you are counting to the right is a positive count. So if I count backwards, it is a negative count. If I count forward, it is a positive count. Now let's take it as your singer is singing in key C and you can play in C. Of course, you have to transpose. Now transposing always starts with 0 when you are counting. So we are going to transpose this here. So we are going to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means we are going to get a negative 5 because we counted to the left. So on the transpose button, just hit the negative 5. And then after transposing, you see that this sound will come here. This sound will change to this. So let's transpose and see. This is C. Now after transposing, it has come here. So now this is giving us the C, key C sound instead of key F because we've transposed. Any count that you count to the right is a positive count. So if your vocalist is singing in key A, this is key A. This is key A. Now you want to transpose to A. So what do? You start counting. You start from 0. This is the key that we play in. So you are going to start from here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means you are going to transpose plus 4. Plus 4. So plus 4. You get the sound here. If the person is singing in key D, we know key D is at the left here. So we are going to count backwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be a negative 3 transpose. Negative 3. And when you do that, you get this sound. This sound, you will get it here. So basically, this is how we use the electronic transpose button. It is very simple. If you can't play in the key, just transpose and then feel free to play whatever you want to play. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to subscribe, and then see you in our next video. Bye bye.